and the Pere Anju. Today, I'm wearing a traditional attire from Manipur, and it is known as Kuki. Kanang ibiti ho kiban na kitangad biit. I'm proud of my culture, my identity. Kuki. The clothes that I'm wearing is called Ponlaisan, Kibuy. These are called Chow. That's it. Nani Subadinam.